George Taylor, Spokane. Cathy McMorris Rodgers doesn't seem to understand that it isn't access to health care. Coverage to health care is a human right. Coverage to health care is a human right. Our neighbors to the north, Canada, whose Prime Minister is visiting the President today, has universal health care for all of its people because 50 years ago, a man named Tommy Douglas, who was the then Premier of Saskatchewan, sat down with the doctors and leaders of his province and he said, how can we provide affordable health care for all of our people? Regardless of pre-existing conditions, regardless of employment status. In fact, one Canadian friend said to me, how come you Americans are so stupid? I said, what do you mean by that? He said, because health care coverage has nothing to do with employment. Health care coverage has nothing to do with employment. It has all people, whether they're employed or unemployed, whether they're young or old, whether they're pre-existing condition or not, whether they're Republican or Democrat or anything in between, need health care. Hello, Cathy. Hello. Come in from outer space. Cathy McMorris Rodgers has 3 children. All of them are covered under her government insurance health care. One of her children is disabled, has a learning disability. That child is 100% covered by Cathy McMorris Rodgers' Congressional Health Care Plan. Why can't all Americans have that kind of coverage? The good doctor who preceded me has much more credibility than I do because he understands the importance of ACA. But I know because I have a family member at Sacred Heart who reports that the emergency care visits since ACA has been the law of the land 2 years, emergency room visits have gone down by 1/2. 1/2. Why is that? Why are emergency care visits way down? Answer? Because the Medicaid expansion part of the ACA has covered 600,000 more Washingtonians than before. So my plant inside of Sacred Heart reports that people who live in Idaho come over to Washington to get that Medicaid expansion because our Washington state leaders were enlightened enough to accept the Medicaid expansion. Hello? The Idaho state, for its citizens who would qualify for Medicaid under the Medicaid expansion, are not allowed to have it because the Idaho legislature and governor have refused to take it. How stupid is that? So in conclusion, we need to keep ACA in place. We don't need the essential parts of it saved by the Republicans. No, we need the whole thing. We need it expanded. We need it improved.
Yes.
Keep ACA, and if Cathy does not change her heart on this, we need to vote her out of office next election.
Thank you so much, Pastor. Thank you.